Hi there, it's Alex from Total Refit. In our business we deal with whole house renovations with everything that we do in the market. Strata is one of these things that we deal with. With the Strata flooring, what I like most about it is we generally can offer the client as much opportunity and different colours and textures to suit their overall space. So typically speaking, with a Strata floor here, you'll notice that it has the underlay already on, so you don't need to go and get one of these foil underlays. This is thermal break, and so when you put your hand on the underside of the Strata flooring there, you'll find that your hand instantly already starts warming up as you got to the touch. So generally speaking, this sits at a comfortable temperature of around about 14 to 15 degrees, which for more elderly people and things, that is a nice comfortable temperature compared to tiles. When I'm talking to people about why this is beneficial to them on their houses, is I actually like this around kids and dogs and animals, cats, all of those things, guinea pigs, even if you have guinea pigs inside. But the main reason is because on the top of the Strata flooring there is actually a 1mm gel coat on top. That 1mm gel coat acts as a barrier so you don't end up damaging that that nice finish that you have. With all those things in mind, it's just a really good way to upsell towards people that have pets, that they've got that no worry aspect and things to it. It is really good on that factor. So you'll find that it just molds really nicely to how they're interacting with the space. For me, when it comes to putting it together, the technique is using a nice soft rubber mallet. Generally speaking, not a black one. A white one is best for this situation because it's going to leave less marks. As I'm doing this, you'll notice that I'll start from the top point and then put that in, and then I'll work myself down like a zip. And now that is nicely put together. Then you go and slide that in. As you're clicking it in, you bring it in, you wedge it down, go through, make sure it's in, and then it's in.